There are different ways to say stop doing things. Each of them has its own meaning. The most obvious one, and which all students learn first, is остановиться. It's used when a vehicle, clock, music, time, people stop themselves from moving. They were moving from point A to point B, but didn't reach that point B because of the stop. Казалось, время остановилось в этой комнате. Мои часы остановились на 4, и я не знаю, сколько сейчас время. Все танцевали, но вдруг музыка остановилась. Мужчина остановился, чтобы помочь девушке. That's why the bus stop is called автобусная остановка. Место, где автобусы останавливаются. You can stop somebody or something not to let them to move on by using the word остановить. Полицейский хотел остановить мальчика, который украл сумку. Как бы я хотел остановить время. Остановите этот фильм, он не для детей. We usually use some devices to play music or films. Better to switch the device off than to stop music or films from going on. Use выключить. Выключите музыку, пожалуйста. Я хочу спать. Фильм был неинтересным, и мы его выключили. For most situations, we need to use перестать. Stop doing something. Prefix пере means here to cross. Стать means being. So literally, перестать means to put a cross on the presence of the action. Перестать, to cease. Перестань плакать. There is a cry and you want it to be ceased, stopped. Он перестал мне звонить. There were some phone calls from him, but now there is none. Я перестал смотреть новости по вечерам. No news anymore in the evening. Another word is бросить. It shows some neglect, disrespect. You drop something or even somebody without regret. Я бросил школу. Она вчера бросила ее парня. When it comes to addictions, there is also no regret and respect about those destructive habits. 2 года тому назад он бросил пить. Я хочу бросить курить, но не могу. And the last one is прекратить.
Слушайте, прекратите отсебятину.
It's the same as перестать, but as a native speaker, I can say that прекратить sounds more sudden and drastic, even harsh. If перестать is more about not doing something anymore, прекратить is about stopping from doing it more times. Пре or пере, again, it's to cross. Кратить is from the word кратный, multiple. What I feel about those two situations. Перестань мне звонить. He was phoning her for several days or weeks maybe, and she wants him to stop. Прекрати мне звонить. She is more angry with his persistence. And she can say how many times he has already called her. And still there is no big difference between them. But when the girl says to you, прекрати, it's better to obey. She is really pissed off.